Today in crypto. Two of Ethereum's leading DeFi protocols, Balancer and Gnosis, have announced a new business partnership. The combination of both protocols will be called BGP, Balancer Gnosis Protocol, and will replace the current running infrastructure of Balancer. Lead DeFi protocols, Balancer and Gnosis. Balancer Growth's head of growth, Jeremy Musayi, announced today at ListCon, the official launch of Balancer Gnosis Protocol, BGP. BGP, to be specific, is a combination of the vault architecture of Balancer v2 and the revolutionary price-finding mechanism of Gnosis Protocol. The two collaborators hope to provide more benefits to users such as on-chain liquidity, MEV protection, better trading prices, and optimized gas costs. With this, users will be able to take advantage of BGP, which is now the default when trading on Balancer.fi. Balancer Labs CEO and company founder, Fernando Martinelli, comments, Gnosis brings unparalleled transparency and value to DeFi, focusing on user experience and enhancing industry growth. The combination of these two protocols will allow users to obtain the best benefits of Gnosis and Balancer, such as gasless trading, better overall prices, and MEV protection. In detail, BGP removes the need for an external market maker or liquidity provider. Through this, it will allow users to save on gas costs, slippage tolerance, as well as protocol fees. To note, miner extractable value or MEV refers to the measure of profit that a miner can make through their ability to include, exclude or reorder transactions within the blocks they produce. In fact, to date, more than 30 million has been extracted from users by bots front-running transactions and exploiting the slippage users allow on trade. Moreover, BGP or the Balancer Gnosis Protocol leverages batch auctions with uniform clearing prices for all trades in the same batch, to protect users from the aforementioned value extraction, which is already active on the Gnosis CalSwap DEX. Also expressing his delight on the collaboration, Gnosis CEO and co-founder, Martin Kpellman, said, "The collaboration with Balancer is a natural fit. The native integration of Balancer's v2 architecture allows us to achieve even better prices for the end users and provide a smooth UX across the two platforms. It's an important milestone towards our mission to build an infrastructure layer that protects traders. Furthermore, the users of Balancer will be introduced to Gnosis's price-finding mechanism, based on gasless orders and smart order routing. Users will now sign an off-chain message with their intent to trade, instead of sending an executable transaction with a predetermined execution path. More so, the additional third party will execute trades that match against whichever on-chain liquidity offers the best price. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Splinterlands is the most actively played game in blockchain today. Through this play-to-earn model, players can earn real money by playing this card game. In the continued growth of the Splinterlands ecosystem, the team recently unveiled the Chaos Legion expansion card packs. In order to ensure fair distribution of the new card pack, Splinterlands has debuted a new scalper and bot protection mechanism called Voucher. Chaos Legion is the most recent expansion for Splinterlands. A total of 1 million packs, priced at $4 each, were made available for sale. The Chaos Legion pre-sale runs for a full month, and the initial interest already seen during the first 24 hours confirms players' excitement regarding this expansion. Such high interest in these new cards confirms Splinterland's dominant position in the play-to-earn blockchain gaming segment. Through a unique voucher mechanism, Splinterlands has found a way to combat bots and scalpers. It is essential to provide fair access to Chaos Legion for all players. Rather than selling the packs all at once unrestricted and leaving them to be bought in bulk by a concentrated few, the team introduced a new voucher token. Every card pack purchased will require spending the $4 and one such voucher token. The only way to acquire voucher is by playing the game and staking the SPS currency. This ensures the cards go to the players who actually are involved with the game rather than bots and scalpers. A total of 33,333.33 voucher tokens are created daily throughout the 30-day pre-sale period, resulting in 1 million voucher tokens in total. The Splinterlands team can monitor the purchasing process and ensure everyone has equal and fair access to Chaos Legion packs through this method. Moreover, the vouchers incentivizes community members to stake SPS for the long term, as the asset will be instrumental in sales, promotions, and rewards in the game. Following the Chaos Legion pre-sale, voucher tokens will still be useful for additional in-game benefits. Moreover, users can keep earning these tokens by staking SPS. The team is exploring other options, including liquidity pools and other sources. More information on the future of voucher tokens will be announced through the official Splinterlands social channels. The voucher system is a fantastic way to provide value to the governance holders and our community, preventing whales and bots from controlling the market and pricing out the players who actually play and love our game is an essential step forward. Splinterlands raises the bar for fair and equal distribution of NFTs and other digital assets with monetary value. Other blockchain projects, either in the gaming industry or otherwise, may take this example as an invitation to introduce a more fair way of conducting sales in the future, said Drive. Jesse agreed. Reich, Splinterlands co-founder and CEO. Email newsletter. Join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. Russian oligarch Oleg Deripaska has once again called on the Russian government to stop ignoring Bitcoin, BTC, after the United States Federal Bureau of Investigation raided his homes in Washington and New York. In a Telegram post on Thursday, Deripaska argued that the Bank of Russia has been infantile in ignoring the growing cryptocurrency market, while the U.S. Department of the Treasury has been investing particularly in this direction. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Bitcoin, BTC, broke its all-time high price level following the launch of ProShares Bitcoin Strategy exchange-traded fund, ETF, BITO, on Tuesday, but JPMorgan Chase, NYSE, JPM strategists believe the key driver behind the price jump is investor concern over inflation. The BITO launch, which saw the highest ever first-day natural volume for an ETF, is unlikely to trigger a new phase of significantly more fresh capital entering Bitcoin, JPMorgan strategists said in a note. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Bitcoin, BTC, broke its all-time high price level following the launch of ProShares Bitcoin Strategy exchange-traded fund, ETF, BITO, on Tuesday, but JPMorgan Chase, NYSE, JPM strategists believe the key driver behind the price jump is investor concern over inflation. The BITO launch, which saw the highest ever first-day natural volume for an ETF, is unlikely to trigger a new phase of significantly more fresh capital entering Bitcoin, JPMorgan strategists said in a note. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.